Brain shrinkage from smoking, a habit prevalent worldwide, is shown to have profound long-term effects on brain health. Even after individuals quit smoking, the brain does not fully recover from the shrinkage caused by the habit. This shrinkage impacts cognitive abilities, including memory, problem-solving skills, and decision-making. The damage is irreversible in many cases, emphasizing the importance of avoiding smoking altogether. Passive smoking, too, carries risks for brain health, affecting people who might not directly consume tobacco but are exposed to its toxins. Quitting smoking earlier reduces risks, but the structural changes in the brain remain a significant concern for smokers and ex-smokers alike. Sleep deprivation risks. Sleep deprivation is a silent epidemic in modern society, fueled by hectic lifestyles, digital devices, and stress. Studies suggest that sleep deprivation impacts brain function more severely than alcohol consumption. The lack of adequate rest hinders essential processes like memory consolidation, decision-making, and emotional regulation. Reflexes slow down, and the risk of errors in day-to-day tasks increases significantly. Chronic sleep deprivation may even lead to neurological conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. Experts recommend avoiding screens before bedtime, engaging in relaxation practices such as meditation, and establishing a consistent sleep schedule to counter these effects. Tumbler glass alcohol's impact. Alcohol is one of the most commonly consumed psychoactive substances globally, but its toxic effects on the brain are alarming. It directly affects the nervous system, impairing communication between neurons. Among alcoholic beverages, shots are identified as the most harmful due to their high alcohol concentration and rapid consumption method. Hard liquors like whiskey and vodka also pose severe risks. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to conditions such as Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, a brain disorder caused by a deficiency of thiamine. Moderation or complete abstinence, depending on individual health conditions, is crucial for protecting brain health. Grapes' brain-healthy foods diet plays a vital role in maintaining optimal brain function. Consuming colorful fruits, such as blueberries, blackberries, and other berries, provides antioxidants that combat oxidative stress. These fruits are rich in flavonoids, compounds that enhance communication between neurons and promote memory retention. The inclusion of nuts, seeds, and omega-3 fatty acid sources such as fish further enhances brain health. Despite popular belief, there are limited healthy brain food options in non-vegetarian sources, highlighting the importance of a plant-rich diet. By prioritizing these foods, individuals can significantly reduce the risks of cognitive decline with age. Seat posture and spine health. Modern sedentary lifestyles are detrimental to spinal health. Prolonged sitting, often associated with office jobs or excessive screen time, exerts undue pressure on the spine. This can lead to conditions such as degenerative disc disease and chronic back pain. Poor posture exacerbates the problem, causing spinal misalignment, neck pain, and even headaches. The video highlights the importance of taking regular breaks every 20 minutes and engaging in activities that promote spinal flexibility. Using standing desks and ergonomic furniture, along with regular physiotherapy consultations, are effective solutions for maintaining spinal health over the long term. Woman lifting weights. Fitness for brain and body. Physical activity is a cornerstone of both brain and body health. Strength training, stretching exercises, and yoga not only improve posture but also enhance overall well-being. Degenerative spine conditions, often caused by wear and tear, can be prevented with consistent back strengthening exercises. Activities such as swimming, which involve minimal impact on joints, are highly beneficial. Physiotherapy and prehabilitation, preventative rehabilitation, play a crucial role in addressing issues before they become severe. The video underscores the value of proactive measures in maintaining both physical and neurological health. Glowing star awareness about lifestyle. Young people are inadvertently compromising their future health due to poor lifestyle choices. Extended periods of sitting without breaks, whether during work or leisure activities, lead to a host of issues, from reduced muscle tone to impaired circulation. The societal norm of sitting is the new smoking stems from the recognition that both habits significantly harm long-term health. However, the key distinction lies in movement. Short breaks to stand, stretch, or walk every 20 minutes can mitigate many of the negative effects of sitting. Raising awareness about these practices is critical, especially in today's tech-driven world. Expanded insights based on numbers. No smoking statistics indicate that smoking impacts the brain in multiple ways. The irreversible nature of brain shrinkage highlights the criticality of intervention. Data from longitudinal studies show that smokers are at higher risk of developing cognitive disorders such as dementia. While cessation efforts are beneficial, they primarily halt further damage rather than reverse the harm done. Person in bed 20-minute intervals. The recommendation to move every 20 minutes is grounded in research that links prolonged inactivity to an increased risk of musculoskeletal disorders and cardiovascular issues. By incorporating these brief movements into daily routines, individuals can effectively counteract the negative effects of a sedentary lifestyle. Person standing posture screening results. Using advanced tools such as AI-based posture screening, researchers have quantified deviations in spinal alignment and their impact on health. For example, the average weight of the human head is approximately 5.5 kilograms, but improper posture can increase this load on the spine, leading to chronic pain. Identifying and correcting these issues early can prevent severe long-term complications. Expanded example. Exploratory questions. What are the biological mechanisms behind the irreversible nature of brain shrinkage in smokers? This question delves into the science of how smoking damages brain cells and structures, providing insights into the cellular and molecular changes that occur. What comparative data exists between the effects of sleep deprivation and alcohol consumption on cognitive function? Exploring this question would involve analyzing studies that compare the immediate and long-term impacts of these two factors on memory, decision-making, and mental agility. What are the most effective interventions for preventing posture-related health problems in office environments? This question encourages a discussion on ergonomic solutions, workplace policies, and individual habits that promote better posture and reduce health risks.